In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a meeting in Microsoft Teams. If you're currently in a Teams meeting or call and you're ready to exit, the process is very simple. Whether you've finished speaking, the meeting is wrapping up, or you just need to step away, Microsoft Teams makes it easy to leave cleanly and quickly. To begin, make sure you are actively inside the Microsoft Teams meeting or call. You should be able to see the meeting window on your screen, along with the call controls that usually appear around the top or bottom area of the meeting interface. These controls include things like your microphone, camera, and other meeting options. If you don't immediately see them, move your mouse slightly or tap the screen and they should appear. Once you're in the meeting and the controls are visible, look for the Leave button. In Microsoft Teams, this is usually shown as a phone handset icon, often in red, which makes it easier to identify quickly. This is the button used to disconnect from the meeting. Go ahead and click Leave. As soon as you do, you will exit the meeting or call immediately. In most cases, there won't be an extra confirmation screen, so once you click it, you're out of the session right away. That's all it takes to leave a meeting in Microsoft Teams. As a quick tip, make sure you actually want to leave before clicking the button, especially if you're in an important discussion, because the action is usually instant. If you're the meeting organizer, keep in mind that leaving the meeting is different from ending it for everyone. So be careful not to confuse those options if both are available in your version of Teams. Also, if you're using Teams on a smaller screen, like a tablet or phone, the Leave button may still be in a slightly different position, but it will typically use the same red phone icon. So even if the layout changes a little, the action remains the same. This is one of the simplest actions in Microsoft Teams, but it's useful to know exactly where to look so you can leave a call confidently without hesitation. And that's how to leave a meeting in Microsoft Teams.